Hi, welcome to take a closer look at Data Insights Group's data cleaning platform. In this video, I will present the basic structure of our cloud and its basic functionalities. First, let's take a look at the structure. Here you can see how our cloud is set up to guarantee the highest standards of data security for our clients. First, a copy of the client's data comes into our cloud. For every customer, we have a separate data silo. Every silo is built to have a storage and virtual machine in them. This way, we can receive and analyze the data within that silo. Silos are also equipped with full control over who have access to them. In this slide, you can see the journey of the data from your database to our cloud and back. We always operate with the copy of the data. We never use the original data. Once we have the copy of the original data, that data is brought into our cloud. In our cloud, it's put in its own data silo where we can analyze it with the powerful virtual machines. Once we've analyzed the dataset, detected the problems, and also dealt with the problems, we will return the improved data sets back to you for successful data science projects. Next, let's take a look at our cloud. Here you can see our basic home page. What in the previous slides were meant to be data silos are resource groups in Azure. So we have resource groups that are equivalent to the data silos I presented earlier. Inside each resource group, we have a storage account and a virtual machine. This way, we don't have to mix the data with any other data. It's always dealt within one silo, analyzed, and then sent back to you. We also have a possibility to use VPN, Virtual Private Network, to connect your database to our cloud. This way we can ensure the highest possible data transfer security because it's not done through internet but through a private connection. Here you can see our VPN gateway already set in place. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any further questions or want the private demo of our cloud, don't hesitate to contact us either through our website or sending emails straight to us. Have a great day.